Hello YouTube viewers, it's Sharky here, and today I am back with my first Rubik's Cube video in a while. This time, it's like more of an unboxing video, and then next video I do with this will be sort of like a tutorial on how to solve this particular cube. But today I'm gonna be reviewing and kind of unboxing the Shengshou white base 2x2. So now it has a nice little box here, so it's just unwrap it. I mean, it's pretty simple cube, you know, most like the rest of things. So I mean, I wouldn't say that's like necessarily a speed cube like these two that I have right here, but it has a nice smooth rotation. I mean, it's not necessarily the best of cubes you could use if you want to do speeding, but if you're just using it to solve, then it's still a pretty good cube to use. And so I'll just do an example solve right here, if I can remember how to solve this. Oh snap. Well dang. So yeah, I guess I actually better mix it up better to show more of an actual solve than what that was. The thing about 2x2s though is because it's only a 2x2, you can't necessarily mix it up. So I'm doing the best that I can to mix it up or whatnot. So, you know, it's kind of almost solved right now. Just a few more steps. Let's see if I can remember this. And solved. Anyways, so this is just a basic review video over the Shengshou white base cube. It's not a cube I'd recommend for speed cubing, but you know, it is just a it's still a cube, so I'd recommend. I mean, if I were to recommend this to a friend who's not really trying to get into speed cubing, then yeah, I would. But anyways, if you enjoyed this review and you want to buy this cube, the video will be in the description below, or the video, what? No, the link will be in the description below. But if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment down if you want to see more of these kind of Rubik's Cube unboxings, and subscribe if you're new around here. I mean, school is coming up, so I'm gonna try and upload, but thing is, with all this editing and stuff I have to do, I might have to do temporarily once every 3 days or something like that. Anyways, my name is ITZsharky, and I will see you all in the next one.